And if you haven't, I'll even tell you is Phil. It's called PLM, Project Leaders Management Institute, PML. I think that's right. I'm sorry if I butchered it, Phil. But very great online. Every Saturday we meet and we talk about project management. We talk about leadership. We talk about sales. We talk about marketing. We talk about, because all of these aspects are geared towards project management. Um, so if you are really excited about, trying to figure out how do I get started, start even go on Udemy. Look at courses on Udemy. Especially when they have their sales, that's a good place to start. We're actually going to have some courses here. I'm going to build some courses for you guys, family, around CAPM and PMP, and then what happens after that. So stay tuned for that. Also, as you know, I have a book coming, The Magnetic Project Manager. So that book is coming out, should be out by the end of August. So stay tuned for that right now. Currently, we're in July. Point number three, seek relevant certifications. As I mentioned before, your PMPs, your CAPM, your Prince 2s, what else is a good ACP? Um, Man, even like I think they even have some business analyst certifications. But the ones that and then also I went and got some. I went and took some agile certifications as well. I think it was ICP, Agile, ICP, ATF, which was around facilitation, being able to facilitate better. I'm always looking for new certifications. I don't really care so much about the certification. I care about what I'm going to learn and how I can take what I learned and apply it. Like, you'll be shocked. You probably think, if you've seen my business office, you would think, oh, well, you probably got your degrees. I have none of that stuff up. And it's not because I'm not grateful and thankful for getting it. I just want to keep that dog. I want to keep that hunger to keep going. And that's how I trick myself. I mean, when I don't see those things, I'm like, there's work to do. So family, definitely seek relevant certifications.